Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, a compact and feature-packed dashcam that's perfect for drivers who want a reliable and discreet recording device. What makes it special is its 140-degree field of view and incident detection recording, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want to capture every detail on the road, and it's designed for everyday drivers who want a no-fuss, easy-to-use dashcam. Let me break down the specs. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is powered by a dual-core processor, featuring a 1.4-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels and a brightness of 300 nits, with a refresh rate of 30 Hz. It has a battery capacity of 1,300 mAh, providing a battery life of up to 4 hours, and it supports 5V1A charging, which is relatively slow but gets the job done. The camera boasts 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, with a 140-degree field of view, and it has 4 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD cards. It weighs in at 56 grams and measures 51 by 41 by 23 millimeters, making it one of the smallest dash cams on the market. The device runs on Garmin's proprietary OS, version 5.1, and features a mini USB port, Bluetooth 4.0, and Wi-Fi 802.11b divided by G divided by N. Special features include incident detection recording, which automatically saves footage in the event of a crash, as well as voice control and smartphone app connectivity. In real-world use, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 performs admirably, with a battery life that's closer to 3 hours in real conditions, which is still plenty of time for most commutes. The display is readable in sunlight, although it can be a bit difficult to see in extremely bright conditions. When multitasking, the device is surprisingly fast, able to record video and respond to voice commands without lag. The build quality feels solid in the hand, with a premium feel that belies its compact size. Audio quality is also excellent, with clear and crisp sound that picks up every detail. Real-world reviews praise the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 for its compact size and ease of use, with many users loving the fact that it's so small and discreet that it doesn't obstruct their view of the road. Users also rave about the video quality, which is crisp and clear even in low-light conditions. Additionally, many users appreciate the incident detection recording feature, which provides an added layer of safety and security on the road. However, some users report that the device can be a bit finicky when it comes to connecting to their smartphones, and others have noted that the adhesive mount can be a bit weak, requiring some careful placement to get it to stay put.